Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Venu Sq music, and I'm gonna show you how to change the date and time format on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the lower button to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll all the way down and select the system option. Here, find the options called time and date. First, let's tap on time, and to change the time format, tap on the time format option right here, and we can select 12 hours or 24 hours. Select the one you like by tapping on it, and that's how you change the time format. To change the date format, go back to the system and tap on date, then tap on date format, and we can select day/month or month/day. Select the one you like by tapping on it, and once you're done, you can press the lower button a couple of times to go back to the watch face. And that's how you change the date and time format on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.